G'day, here's a parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, Australia. It's been wetted, rules in millimetres. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in. Some pieces are better than others. It's basically just mine run, lower grade mine run material. Piece like that, I'd cut it through here somewhere, then take this piece off here so you can get face of opal, and then flatten that off, make a pendant, perhaps cutting across the seam. Another piece, maybe something in the back there. This to be ground off to see. Some of the pieces I've just basically thrown in. I'd rather see you get them and have a bit of fun. A piece like that, it's hard to know whether it will run anywhere, but like I say, they're not expensive, these deals, and it is just mine run material. It's not gemstone top grade pieces. Piece like that you could slice through a couple of times, get a patterned face. Good to practice. Hardest part with Boulder Opal is making the decisions of which seams you'll cut, especially when it's crossing over. A piece like this, which way do you cut it if it was super bright material? It's just basically potch and colour. Little seam there. Possibly cut that through the centre, make this the bottom, go down onto that. Anyway, gives you an idea. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.